Morning, YouTube. Morning, guys. Morning, guys. How's it going? What's going on? How you doing, YouTube? Good to be here, guys. Good to be here. Today we're gonna do some stock market live updates. We also gonna talk about Tesla earnings, and we have Nasdaq too. We have earnings for Tesla, and we have earnings for Nasdaq. So it's a pretty exciting day. See how it's gonna go. It's gonna be a great day, guys. Lately, it's been green. We have a green market lately, so that's very good, guys. Very excited about that. Let's see what else can we see, guys. Let's go and check out the market. Let's see what's going on Bloomberg. This is interesting. I was reading this earlier, and they're saying that the mortgage rates, since you guys all know, we've been raising rates at the speed of light almost every month, 75 point base, which is a lot. If you were 2, 3 years ago, you were able to get a mortgage for 2.6, maybe 3%, you know. Now it's 6, 7%. It makes it really hard for home buyers to keep up with it, buy houses. Also, the people that own houses right now are very struggling because remember, their mortgages, they go up. I don't know if it's every month or every 2 months, but the mortgages have been going up for what I heard. So it's very bad, guys. We're struggling a little bit. No, making it brief today. Let's look at Tesla. We gotta look at Tesla, guys. You know, we definitely have to. I'll do it right now. Let me share the screen with you guys. It's gonna take just a minute. Okay, I think now we're okay. Let's see what's going on. You know, stock market updates. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. It's not looking good right now. The market is not letting us make money right now. Pretty good. Okay, now we up, guys. We up. Let's look at my portfolio. Oh, one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is a good platform to invest that I personally use that I like is Webull. Webull gives you all the technical, guys. Let's see, Tesla. Tesla's not moving too much today since earnings are coming. Looking at the QQQ Nasdaq. This is one of the best ETFs, guys. Let me see how it's looking. Okay, let me check over here. Let me check Tesla for 2 seconds, guys. I guess we're waiting for earnings. What time are the earnings to shareholders? Let's look at the earnings. So shareholders power accepted. This is pretty cool, guys. Oh, at the closing. I guess we're gonna get the earnings at the closing bell. That's all right. We're gonna check BOO, Vanguard, for the day. Guess we're having a red day, guys, today. Is it because of the Ukraine? I think Ukraine right now, the interest rates on Ukraine's, I mean, inflation just peaked 10.1% in Ukraine. You know, so it's UK. Sorry, UK, not Ukraine. UK. Yeah, UK is taking a beating. Remember, we had to even help them, give them a couple of billions of dollars so they can buy back their own bonds. Because of the there's a lot of pensions involved in there, and they didn't want the market to go down like that. You know, I hear a lot of people talking about the rule of 60-40 all the time. The 60-40 means having 60% of your money on stocks, 40% of your money on like ETFs, funds, and stuff like that. So yeah, but today is Wednesday. We got Tesla, IBM, Nasdaq, P&G, Lam Research. I'm more interested on Nasdaq, IBM, and Tesla. Those are my real picks over here. This is where I can see I can make money. Tomorrow, Thursday, we have AT&T, American Airlines, Union Pacific, and Snapchat. Even though I don't use AT&T or really American Airlines, I like them both. And Verizon and American Express on Friday. Wow, getting good earnings, good companies. The earnings are not looking so good. Netflix did a good number, guys, yesterday. Netflix went up after market. Let's look at Netflix, guys. Let's look at Netflix. Netflix yesterday after hours. Oh man, it went bunkers. That's what I heard. Look at this, guys. It was from 240, went all the way to 265, and today still at 265. So it's up 10%. That would have been a 10% gains on your account, guys, if you would have bought Netflix yesterday, or even 2-3 days ago. So the earnings for Netflix were really good. I heard that they added 2.3 million new accounts. So I'm very, very happy. You know, hopefully Netflix comes down with the prices. I love Netflix. It's a really good company, but the prices sometimes, you know, make you think about it twice, because you not only have Netflix. Sometimes you have the Disney Plus, you have the HBO Max, the Amazon Prime. So it's a lot of different subscriptions. Once they add all up, you know, it becomes a little expensive. Plus, you still have to pay for internet and your phone internet too. But we have the QQQ, so we're pretty good today. Let me see how's Palantir doing today, guys. Okay, Palantir is A16. Not bad. This is a slow company, guys. I'm looking ahead of this company for like 10 years. I'm not looking ahead in 1 or 2 years, 3 years. This is a very, very long-term play. I'm not putting too much of my money into it, but I'm definitely interested in Palantir Technologies. Love this company, guys. Let's see. Let's look it up over here. $8.04. Let me see. Palantir a year ago was $26. Okay, it's dropped 67%. We could still have make a comeback, guys. 18 days left for earnings. Palantir Technology is a holding company which engages in develop data integration and software solution operates to government, commercials, and government segments, meaning that they have contracts from the government and they also have contracts from private companies. They basically help you. They take all your data. If you have any problem with anything and you need any solution or something more compact, easier to understand, for whatever reason is that you need the data to be put together and give you a easier understanding of what you're trying to learn or looking for. Palantir is one of the best companies, guys. Right now, it's taking a beating, not financial advice. This is not financial advice. This is just my own personal investment. I like Palantir. I also have Intel. I just started this new account. I have Webull for a couple of years, but didn't really put any money into it. Now I'm really excited. I want to share my journey with you guys and see how much I could grow this account. I want to grow my Robinhood account and my Webull account the most. I love Webull because Webull gives you all the technicals. Every single technical, you can see how high, how low the company is. Which is very detailed, and you can have level 2 trading too on Webull, which I don't have, guys. So anybody that has it, let me know how is it. Maybe I'll try to upgrade. Intel is a really good company. It's a cheap manufacturing company, guys, and a computer company. Let me see. I think I don't know who was it. Intel or Nvidia that is making a big factory. Yeah, guys, our CPI numbers are a little bit low. Let me see. Intel chip, new factories. Chip factory coming to Ohio in Best. Okay, nothing to do with Intel. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I was right. I knew it. Intel breaks ground in Ohio. All eyes are on Ohio as Intel breaks ground at the center of Silicon Heartland. The monumental occasion will be celebrated by Intel Ohioans and the international. President Biden will be attended to deliver Michael revealed American manufacturing to the Chips Scientists Act and the bipartisan infrastructure law. Yeah, remember, guys, that President Joe Biden basically signed like a $200-300 billion infrastructure bill that was to bring chip companies over here. We need to be chip independent. We need to be energy independent, guys. I'm not trying to talk about politics, but we need this in the country so our prices and everything can stay at a level where we can afford all the products, all the goods, everything we have, our rent, our car payments, our classes for our kids, dance class, that those are like extra stuff that once you can pay all your utilities and your main bills, you have extra money to spend. Invest, usually you put your money on your 401k through your job and stuff like that, but when you want to invest out of that, you basically have to pay all your bills, and then whatever left, that's what you look at, and you're like, okay, I could take this little bit amount of money and throw it in Robinhood, Webull, TD Trade, M1 Finance, whichever you want, So that's just dividend companies and safe. safe companies. Do your research, do your due diligence, guys. Don't just buy any company, and just don't buy whichever company you want. Like, I love Apple, I buy Apple all the time, but you want to diversify, because Apple, even if you put, let's say, $1 million, your dividend return is not as much, that if you diversify, have 4 or 5 different stocks that pay dividends. I have checked, I have sometimes done the math and see that Apple's dividend is a little bit low, even though right now, like, the company is, the price of Apple is amazing right now, guys. Yeah, Apple is amazing, guys, right now. Look at these prices. You can 140 and below, I'm buying Apple, guys. $140. Why would I buy Apple there? Because as you guys can see, it trends. It was around 40 a year ago. It went to 131. That's like the floor, like around 130, 131, 135. So between 130 and 140, it's a good buy. It's a basic buy. Of course, if you could get it at 141, 142, it's alright, guys. Apple's going to the moon. Look at this. Just taking a little bit of hiccup right now. Everybody, every single stock, no matter how good you are, no matter how market crash proof you are, how depression proof you are, how bear market proof you are, everybody's taking a hit right now. All markets are down. They are pricing themselves right now, getting ready for us to go shopping. Remember, guys, these are the best times to shop. Not financial advice, like I said, but me as an investor, every time I get paid, or at least every week, I try to invest a little bit of money. Nothing crazy, guys. $50, $100, $20, whatever you can. Just keep buying. Make sure you're buying your dividend stocks. If you don't know how to buy the single stocks, you could go for the FTX, QQQ, Nasdaq, S&P 500, and they all pay usually dividend too. So you could do that too. Me, I like both. I like buying the stocks, and I also like buying the ETFs. Like you see, I got QQQ, I got Palantir, which doesn't pay dividend, it's just a growth stock. Got Intel that pays dividend. Also have over here on my M1 Finance, guys. This is where I have Apple. I don't have too much invested. I'm trying to grow this account and grow it and not have to take out the money for any emergencies or anything like that. So remember, now how everything is so expensive, sometimes you need the extra cash. The job doesn't cut it sometimes. That's why you also have to have a side hustle. I have a side hustle, but sometimes I'm busy. I come out of work late. I can't really go and do my other side hustle to make a little bit of cash, and be able to invest freely every week, a couple of dollars. But this is my M1 Finance. I love M1 Finance. Look at the detail. Look how clean the app looks. I'm not promoting the app. I don't have anything to do with them. They haven't paid me anything. But over here I have Apple, which pays dividends, like I was saying, guys. Microsoft, the beast. Walmart is a dragon. And I have the NASDAQ. Like I say, I like the NASDAQ. And I'm so glad I own the NASDAQ, because today is earning calls. Ding, 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 ding. The only company that I still don't own, guys, is Tesla. I have YouTube, not YouTube, Alphabet, sorry. I have Alphabet and I have Amazon. Let's see. What do we got? Amazon. In Amazon, I have 9.7% of my portfolio. My average cost is $109. Market value $10. Don't worry, I'm gonna grow this, guys. I'm gonna grow this account. We have Amazon, and we also have Alphabet. Do we own Alphabet Class 8? Yes, we do. We have 14%. I went a little overboard with this one, guys. My average cost is $97.16. I have a market value of $15, not even a share. We're gonna get to a share. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna get to a share. Today's a nice day to buy. It's a little bit red. But overall, you see for the week, it's up. So 5%, guys. So as the bleeding stopped, the company's been climbing a little bit. Climb up, cool off, climb up. For the year, we're down 30%. To me, this looks like a buying opportunity, guys. I don't know you, but that's what it looks like. A previous Alphabet, it was $148. Alphabet's a strong company, strong numbers, strong earnings. You know, they know what they're doing in Alphabet. So you know that this company is gonna go back up, no problems, guys. No problem. Tesla's. I love Tesla, guys. Like I say, I don't own Tesla yet, but now that the stock split and it's at a really good price, I'm definitely interested, man. It was a couple of days ago, like at $200. I missed my opportunity right there. You know, let's see how earnings go today and stuff. If the earnings come out a little bit red, it's an opportunity. If the earnings come out and they don't match the expectations, the stock is going to drop a little bit, and that's going to be a perfect opportunity to buy. But you know, Tesla, you know, sometimes pulls off some numbers and you don't know. Like out of nowhere, and they come out with like positive numbers and all that. But guys, let's look at the crypto market, guys. We have to look at the crypto market. Let's see how the crypto market is doing. SPY first. Let me check the SPY. We're a little bit red today, guys. Dow Jones is up. Nasdaq is red, and the S&P 500 is red. I feel like depends how earnings come today. We'll see a move to the upside or a move to the downside, guys. Comment below. Let me know if you guys know anything I don't know about the stock market, the news, what's going on in the world. Hopefully the war ends soon so we can come back to something of a normality, guys. And we can just invest and not have to deal with a war, the repercussions of, you know, the pandemic and all the spending that we did. And now we're raising rates and inflation is out of control. Prices too. We need a little bit of normality, guys. Tech earnings are about to dive, and there's no lie preserved in sight. I mean, you know, My personal opinion is that right now in this bear market, some of these companies are going to price their expectations, a little bit too high, because the market, the jobs market is strong, but the market itself is weak, and the dollar is strong, but everybody else's currency is weak. Plus the war in Europe. So, don't expect too much, guys, and don't get discouraged. Don't let this, destruct your regular routine or your routine of investing. Or just make sure you're investing on secure, safe stocks. Me personally, I'm all about dividend stocks, guys. That's what I want the most. I'm looking to retire at some point, and I want to get a juicy payment every time. Every 3 months, I want to get my good dividend payments, guys. Once I retire, I'm not taking my pension and investing it. I'm investing, and I'm not taking my pension and wasting it or anything like that. I'm putting it all in stocks and investments that pay me dividend. So when I retire, I got dividends coming in, plus my retirement, plus my social security. Guys, you're building for your future. But yeah, guys, what I was saying is, the M1 Finance, when you invest on M1 Finance, it's basically, set it and forget it. Because they do the buying for you. You just got to deposit the money. They do the buying. However you want to buy it, a 10%, 20% of one company, 10%, 5% of another company. I like to have it even, because I want my portfolio to just grow. But M1 is, when it comes to like simple investing, it's probably the easiest one out there. The easiest, guys. Gains, returns, my pie. They have different pies too, probably, that you could choose from. I made my own pie. I like my own stocks. I like to pick my own stuff, because like I say, through my job, I got my own 401k, and that I don't touch. But over here, I like to come and make a little bit of more money on my side jobs, so I can invest. Let's see where this take us to. It's a very fun journey. It's amazing. Once you start investing, you put your first $10, $20, you see numbers either going up, going down. You get emotional, but it excites you because it's your own money, your own investment. See, guys, I want to look at the crypto market. Let's see. We got the crypto market. Bitcoin. We got Bitcoin at 19,000, Ethereum at 1,300. We have XRP at 45 cents. I like XRP. Cardano, one of my favorites, 35 cents. Cardano's going down, guys. Cardano is looking good to buy. Solana is at $29. Polygon is at 86 cents. Shiba Inu. Oh, Shiba Inu is perfect right now for me to buy. Not financial advice, guys. This is my personal Chainlink too. So yeah, guys. Bitcoin's hovering around the 19,000. I guess the night between the 19,000 and the 20,000. That's the new floor for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not dropping below that. You know. Let me see. It did drop a couple of times. You know, below those numbers, as we can see. But look, it dropped at the beginning over here of September. It dropped a couple of times below the $19,000 floor. As you can see right here, it's barely like a new floor is right here. I need 19 grand. Everybody's holding it down. Hold the line. Hold. Ethereum too. Remember we got that Ethereum upgrade. Ethereum is looking amazing. Oh man, I want to buy some more Ethereum, guys. And let's look at Ethereum a year ago, guys. It was at 3,600. This is almost 3x, guys. If you get Ethereum right now, what was this? 4,000, 3x, guys. 3x at least. My goodness, Ethereum. I'm ready for you. I want to buy some Ethereum, guys. Dogecoin is back at 5 cents, 6 cents. Dogecoin had a great run, guys. Hopefully it could come back in some way, shape, or form, you know. Cardano is one of my favorites, though. Cardano and Solana. Let me see, all-time high for Cardano. All-time high for Cardano is like $3, right? Almost $3. Yeah. Cardano is we talking about, oh my goodness, like a 6-7x, guys. It's gonna take a while, guys, for crypto to come back. I'm not talking about years. I'm talking about a couple of months, 6 months, 9 months, you know. Need everything to find a floor. The new investors to come in with their guts, feeling like, yes, we're gonna make money. And remember, crypto has proof of work. It went from proof of stake to proof of work. So it's finding its place. Slowly, surely, it's finding its place, guys. Charles Schwab. Yeah, guys, but this is, let's look at some other. We have a red market, guys, today. It's not looking good, guys, today. But yeah, have a good day, guys. Be safe. Keep investing. I'll see you guys later. I will do a market close. Have a good day. Be safe. Have a